In an automobile plant, heat isn't just uncomfortable, it's invisible downtime. From welding lines to paint shops, temperatures can climb past 45 degrees Celsius, and such heat brings fatigue, lapses in concentration, and variable quality, leading to mounting pressure on productivity. Traditional cooling falls short. Air washes cut temperature but add moisture. Air conditioning raises energy costs massively, since recirculation is not a good idea in factories, leaving manufacturers stuck between comfort and productivity. This is where HMX Indirect Direct Evaporative Cooling, IDEC, makes the difference. A smarter approach delivers lower temperatures, controlled humidity, positive pressure, and excellent air quality with far lower energy consumption. In many automotive facilities, HMX IDEC has delivered air that lifts productivity and process efficiency. Up to 60% less power than conventional air conditioning. Up to 60% less moisture than DEC alone. 100% cool, fresh, filtered air for a healthier environment. Water-based cooling, not refrigerants, is eco-friendly by design and low life cycle cost, with low power consumption and minimal maintenance. Installed across auto plant, body shops, paint booths, engine shops, battery rooms, and canteens. Every HMX product is Green Pro Type 1 Eco-Label certified by CII. Many large installations across the globe, including 100+ machines supplied to a single automotive manufacturer. 500 to 200,000 cubic feet per minute per machine. A 120 million plus cubic feet per minute supply base. 24 million plus square feet cooled worldwide. 550 plus industrial and commercial customers. Because the right environment doesn't just cool a workspace, it supports people, processes, and productivity throughout the plant. The original IDEC solution for automobile factory since 2010. Customers partner with HMX in their sustainable journey.